Today I'm going to show you how you can use newly added Canva Sheets to create a calendar. So let's click Sheets. Here we are in the blank spreadsheet. We can use Actions menu to generate a table. We don't need to write everything by hand like in Excel or Google Spreadsheet. We can just start with AI helping us out. So I write down the prompt for the program to create a calendar for June with 7 columns for each day of the week. And that's exactly what I wanted. Now I can simply insert that. Perfect. I will now grab the top row and I can merge those cells at the top to make some kind of header. Right click, merge cells. Let's add a color into this one. And then we can type in. The text is pretty small and dark, but we can select the text and modify text properties as well. I don't need those extra columns on the right, so we can actually delete them. As you can see, thanks to that, my document is smaller and less scary. Okay, so now I got a proper calendar, and what I like to do, I like to insert like the blank rows in between those rows. So I add a blank row below the first week. You can just hover your mouse on that row to see this plus. This plus allows us to very quickly insert additional row. Okay, and now I got this extra space to write down my to-dos or making some notes, or even using some smart feature here in the action menu, like I can mention people here in Canva, I can do drop downs, I can put links, and of course formulas as well if you plan to do some kind of complex imports or calculations. Alright, so that's how we can very quickly set up a basic calendar in Canva spreadsheet. This can be downloaded to your local machine if you like. Just click share, and now you can click download. You can download this in the CSV, that's the spreadsheet format, but you can grab it just as the regular image or PDF. So that's also possible here. But in my case, I'm going to work with that in Canva directly. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. I will see you in the next one.